and what is up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making very smooth and creamy hummus. So if you want to know how to make it, please keep on watching. This is 1 cup of dried chickpeas and it looks like this. And all you have to do is add half a teaspoon of baking soda and add a little bit of water and soak it overnight or for 24 hours. And this is the chickpeas after 24 hours and it looks bigger already, as you can see. Add a generous amount of water and let it boil. You can use instant pot, but if you don't have, don't worry, you can use the regular pots that you have, but it needs a lot of time actually. And this is the chickpeas after cooking. I just want to say something. Even if you are using canned chickpeas, you have to cook it at home, because if your chickpeas is not very soft like this, you can crush it easily. You're not gonna get smooth hummus. Alright, I have here 80 ml of tahini, and make sure you shake it pretty well before you use it. And I have a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and this is actually ice cubes. You can use cold water instead, but I like to use ice cubes because I just know the amount that I just want to use, because sometimes if you put too much water, the hummus will become runny. And first thing I want to do is blend the chickpeas. And add 2 cubes is enough, and blend them together. And this is the chickpeas after blending, and as you can see, it's smooth already. Now add the other ingredients, the tahini, and the lemon juice, and the salt, of course. You can actually taste it after you blend it and see if it needs anything, salt or lemon juice or anything. And now just blend everything. The more you blend it, the better result you get. And now we are done. Look at this smooth and creamy, fluffy hummus. It looks really good. Now I'm gonna show you 2 methods of decorating hummus. This is the first one, and this is actually the traditional one. I'm just making a hole in the middle. It's pretty easy, don't worry. Add a little bit of chickpeas and sprinkle some sumac, some cumin as well, and this is parsley, of course. Here I'm adding a little bit of chili sauce. I'm using sriracha here. You can use whatever you want. And yeah, that's it. And this is the second method, and this is considered as a modern way actually. And all I want to do is to make a spiral shape, and it looks really cool actually. And again, a little bit of sumac. Cumin as well. Parsley. Chili sauce, and a generous amount of olive oil actually. And yeah, this is the end result. I hope you liked it. I really enjoyed filming this, and I really hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and see you very soon. Bye.